This conference will
Hi,
now
good
be
morning, all of you.
recorded.
So we are going to start a new topic, which is nothing but purchasing transition. This is very important topic. Okay, I hope you can able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is this purchasing transition? The purchasing transition of P2B cycle. Okay, like in purchasing transition, we have a PR, we have RFQ, purchase requisition, request for quotation, and we have quotation, purchase order, contracts, scheduling agreement. Like inside the configurations, we can see how to give the number ranges for PR, how to provide the number ranges for RFQ quotation, and we do the testing scenario. Okay, so purchasing. So we already know like what is purchasing. So we can procure material or service from external vendor or from an internal plant in standard procurement process or consignment subcontracting third party. That is all purchasing. So we have different type of purchasing transactions. So in interview they may ask, okay, so purchase acquisition, that is internal purchasing document, okay, and RFQ tender bidding, that is called external vendor purchasing document. And these are all from RFQ to scheduling agreement. These are all external vendor purchasing document, okay. Quotation, external vendor purchasing document. PO, as I told you already, always I used to say like PO is external purchasing document. Internal purchasing document is purchase acquisition, okay, because we are seeking internally whether our stock is available or not. Internally we are seeing this will not go to vendor until unless we don't have any stock. Then we convert the PR into PO. Then it goes to external vendor, okay. Contract is also external vendor purchasing document and scheduling agreement. Okay, based upon the scheduling dates, the vendor will supply you the goods. We'll see this all, okay. P2B cycle means procure to pay. Document type. So document already we have seen, right? It is a control function at header level in purchasing document, and it controls the following. So like number ranges, field selection, which field to be made as hide, display optional, which item category to be allowed or not, right? Like in material master we have material type, right? Material type controls number ranges, field selection. Okay, so here in vendor master also, which what control? Anyone any idea? In vendor master, which things control number ranges and field selection? Any idea? Anyone? Yeah, account group. Yeah, that means you people are not practicing. Huh? Account group controls
Yes,
number
sir.
ranges, field selection. Yeah. So same thing. Like here in PO, document type will control the number ranges. Let me show you. Like if we talk about the PO ME22N, so we have here document type. This is the document type. Standard document type for PO is NB, right? So this document type will control the number ranges. Okay, understand? This document type will control the number ranges, field selection. Okay, so here you can make this entry as a hide or display optional, right? Yeah, Yusuf.
Jeffis bhai.
So okay, you understand, right?
Yes.
Document type PO,
Yes.
this NB, this control number ranges, field selection, right? So we can make this which net price, like so many fields are there. So sometimes the client will say, I don't want, I'm getting confused. I don't want this, these things. Okay. So in that case, hide, you can hide, or you can make it mandatory, compulsory, and you can make it as optional. So that is controlled by document type. So in interview, they may ask document type or in purchasing document. Purchasing document type controls what? So your answer should be number ranges, field selection, and which item category to be allowed or not. Let's say for example this is item category, okay. So based upon a document type, it is controlling. See here, if I take NB, it will show item category, this one, okay. We have a limit to consignment subcontracting third party service. But if I take the document type, let's say for example, let me go back and start with ME21N. Okay, so here see, if I change the document type to UB, yeah, okay, as Hassan and Yusuf. If I change the document type, then
Yes, sir.
automatically the item category will be different. See here, you stock transfer. You understand? So what is controlling? Document type controlling number ranges, field selection, and item category. Which item category to be allowed or not? Here it is showing as stock. Whereas suppose if I take the document type here, let's say STO, stock transfer order, okay, UB, STO, item category will be changed. Stock transfer, U. Understand? Stock
Yes, sir.
transfer. So what is controlling? Document type controls which number ranges, field selection, which item category to be allowed or not. Now coming to item category, just now we have seen this here. This is the item category. Okay. If we talk about the standard, basically we are concerned much about the standard. We have a lot of item categories. So here see in standard you can see standard nothing. If it is blank, then standard. B limit consignment subcontracting third party. So let's talk about this item category. Okay. So what item category actually do? Item item category, it defines how the line item procurement has to be controlled, like how it should be controlled. The item has to procure in standard purchase or consignment. If it is consignment, then what he will do? Asan, tell me, bolo. If it is consignment, we select a K, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
If it is subcontracting, you select L, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what it is. Yeah. If it is third party, you select S. Already we have completed third party also, right? We need to select yes, right? Item
Yes, sir.
category is a control function at item level only, but not at head level. Item level means it is at item level only, but this will not show in header level. Header means here. This is header, okay? This is header, and this is item. Item over here. Understand? So it will never be at header level, item category. It will be always in item level only. That will not have given in my notes. Okay. Now we need to understand this purchasing document category. Sometimes they may ask in interview, like, what is the document type for PO? So all of like a document type for PO is NB. But sometimes they may ask in interview, what is the purchasing document category? Document category is different and document type is different. Don't get confused. Okay? Yeah, Yusuf, understand? Listen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't ever don't ever get confused. Document category is different, the document type is different. So I will show you how to check the document category. So document category for PO is F, whereas document type for PO is what? Tell me, Hasan. Just now I told you. Document type
Sorry,
by
sir.
document category for PO is F. Document type for PO is what? Document type by get confused यार. NB
MB,
यार.
MB, MB, sir.
So many times I told you document type for PO is NB, but document category for PO is F.
Yes,
Understand?
sir.
Both are different. This is document category, that is document type. Okay, don't get confused. I will show you where document category will be reflected. Okay, so we need to understand this. RFQ document category is A, purchase order document category is F, purchase acquisition document category B, info record item document category I, source list. Okay, you can mute yourself. Source list document category W, service industry document category Q, contract document category K, scheduling agreement document category L. In interview, they may ask anything, but most probably you need to focus on purchase order and purchase acquisition. And sometimes they may also ask what is the document category for RFQ. So you need to tell A. You will find all these document category in ME2N or ME5A. Okay, I'll show you. Hide display selection, which is in green, red, blue color icon. Put purchase document category. So I will show you. If you go to ME5A or ME2N, let me go to ME2N. Go here. Okay. This is okay. This is the one which I'm saying, red color, green color. You need to click this. Okay. Yeah. So here, purchasing document header, purchasing document category. Okay. You understand? Oh, so this is what. Double click. So see here, you will find. See, this is what I have given in my notes. Document category for RFQ A. Okay, request for quotation A. Okay, understand? Purchase order F, right? F, and what else? Contract
Sir.
K, contract K. Okay, document category. Schedule agreement L, schedule agreement L, and the rest one you can find in ME5A. So let me show you. Let me go to ME5A now. ME5A. Basically, this is list of PR, T code, list of purchase requisition. But you can find this document category also here. So go here, say display purchase requisition. But if you go here, purchase requisition, okay, see here, purchase document category, double click. You can find this all. That is what I've given in the notes. Okay, see here, A, B, F, everything. Info record I. Okay, and service entry sheet Q, source list W. Okay, any doubt here till now? How to see? I have shown you, right? So this is what purchasing document category. Okay, yeah. So now coming to item category. Item category. So let me take you to item category customization part. SPRO SAP reference IMG. What is the full form of SPRO? Yeah, son, tell me. SAP reference IMG. SPRO SAP project reference object. Already I told you, right? Why you people are forgetting? I don't know. Okay. SPRO SAP reference IMG material management. Okay. Purchasing. Purchasing. Right. Define external representation of item category. Okay. So here you will find the item categories. So let's say if you talk about item categories, just click this and select the detail button. Standard. Material required, yes. Additional account assignment required, yes possible. Inventory management, yes possible. Okay. Control goods received, GR, yes. We need the GR also after PO. Okay. GR indicator firm, yes. Changeable in PO. GR violation, just do the observation. Here not allowed. Okay. Control invoice received, yes. The GR, you need to pay to the vendor. Okay. So PO linked, PO item linked. Okay. IR indicator firm, changeable in PO. This just observe it. So if you go to, let's say for example, concern. Already we have done this topic in special procurement process, right? Yes, sir. So here material required, yes, material is mandatory, right? So at the time of creating the material, already we select as procurement type, like consignment, right? In material MRP, in MRP view, an account assignment category not allowed. So in consignment PO, account assignment category is not allowed. These are the basic things we need to understand. So if you open this, you will understand, what are the things are mandatory, okay, like that. Inventory management, yes, mandatory, okay. Stock, goods issued to cost center, this all we can manage. Inventory management, goods received, yes, we pass the goods received also. Firm in PO, GR indicator, okay, like this. Yeah, someone is I'm getting some noise. You mute yourself, okay? Yeah. So subcontracting. You like this, each and everything you go and see. Okay. So these are the item categories. Select each item category, hold and click detail button, observe the selected control function. That is what I have shown you. Okay. Note, we cannot create a new item category which are not possible to edit item category control functions. If required, we can edit item category text and item category external symbols only. Understand? Symbol means this we can change. Okay? Text. This we can change. Okay? And this also instead of B we can make anything. Okay, item category this will be, yeah, this we can change. This we can change. Text and symbols also. Okay? We can change the symbols also. So purchase requisition. Now coming to ME51, and already we know we have created so many PR, right? So let me go you flashback. Like here we are most concerned about the number ranges PR. Okay, so if the customer needs a number, obviously in real time we need to configure the number ranges also. Okay, so presently as for HANA is there, like migration project are going on because they have given 31st December deadline. So people around the world 2025 27 deadline, December the 2. So people are around the world, from they are migrating from ECC to S4HANA. So migration project is going on. So almost, implementation has done. Almost, most of the companies they have done the implementation part also. But only thing is that they are migrating from ECC to S4HANA. That is a different story. So after this class, at last I'll show you S4HANA also. Don't worry about it. Okay, what are the difference between ECC and S4HANA? That I'll take you one class separately. Okay. So here see purchase requisition. Let me go to ME51, and already we have done so many purchase requisition. But let me take you in inside. So ME51 okay. So this screen, it is what is PR? It is a request to purchase to a purchaser to procure material or service from external vendor or from internal plan. If you are getting internal, then that's good. Otherwise, we convert the PR into PO and we get the material or stock from outside vendor, external vendor. PR can be created manually by user or it can be created automatically via MRP run, MRP, material requirement planning, or via APO, advanced planning optimizer, or SD, or via PM, plant maintenance. There is a separate module called as PM, right? So PR number ranges. How to customize the number ranges? Let me take you there. Okay. So number ranges SPRO, SPRO. Okay. SAP reference MG, SAP reference MG, material management purchasing, purchasing. Okay. Purchase requisition define number range, purchase requisition. If you want to customize number range, you will customize here. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Define number. What is the T code? OMS7. So what is the number in table? Number in table is NRIV. So if you want to see what number range is there for the PR, so you can go to NRIV table. Okay. So if you go to NRIV SE16N, NRIV, okay, number is interval. So we can see this. what are the number ranges are there, for the specific client object is all, we can see this from number to number. These are all number ranges. So sometime four series is there, one series, like this NRIV table. So table also plays very important role. Understand? See, two series are there, this all we can see. Okay. So okay. So like this we can see the table. So table name also sometime they may ask in interview. What is the table name for number ranges for PR? Sometime they may ask in interview also. Okay, so this is what it is. Click pen intervals here. See, like already we have here this. So number ranges are defined already. So 0102. Like whenever we create the PR, this number, current number is going on, right? If you want to configure your own number ranges, all you can configure. Okay, it's like three series, four series. Sometimes the client require five series. At that moment, you need to configure number range separately. Okay. Your already number range is available here in real time also. As per the business requirement, we can define a new number ranges also. Suppose for service PR, let's say service PR. So what is the document type for service PR? We need to understand that service PO document type. Already I told you framework order, right? FO framework order. We select that and we configure the number ranges for PO. So or for MRP generated PRs or for third party PR, etc. If different number ranges series are required, then define a number ranges here and later assign these number ranges to required document type. Like as I told you, document type for service PO is FO, right? Already we have created so many service PO, and after service PO we have created the service into sheet, but not the GR, right? Because it is a service. For service industry there is no GR, but once you pass the service industry with ML 81N, automatically, as I told you earlier, in the background the GR will also get created. Then you need to pay to the vendor through Myro posting invoice, right? Yeah, click insert interval. So here let's say I'm taking, yeah. So this is insert interval. Okay, so you can give your new one. Okay, so let's say I'm giving Z4. Okay, so number ranges for PR Z4. Okay, so I'm taking, let's say I'm taking from drop down. Okay, let's say I'll take this two series or one series, no issue. Okay, but in new EHP7, you need to give the number manually. But here in drop down, I can take because this is the old version. But right? Because most of my students they have EHP6 and EHP7 also. Right now, as for HANA is going on. That is a different story. I'll show you later on. Okay. So I'm selecting this Z4. Okay, and this number range I've selected. Click enter and save it. Okay. Yeah. And Z5. Let me take Z5 also. No issue. I'm taking a Z5. I'll take another number range. Let's say I'm taking two series. Okay. Click enter and save it. So this is my own configured number range, Z1 and Z4 and Z5. Yeah. Save back to IMG implementation guide. Define screen layout at document level. So another thing is we need to go here. Define screen layout at document level. All fields appears by default here. Some of them are as follows. So here see, let me take you to NBB purchase acquisition and click the detail button. Okay. You can hide display required here. Okay. So from here you can hide, you can display. Okay, like which field you want. If you double click this basic data item, PSC, understand, Ehsan? Yeah, Yusuf, am I
Ye-
audible? Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
here, this is what it is. How you can for PR, like we have planned for PR as well as for PO also we have the plan, right, in item category in line item. So if you want to, because this is required entry, okay, always it is a required entry. Without a plant, you cannot create the PO, right? So that's why it is required. So over here, you would like, you can do the changes. If you go back, you can see what are the fields you can hide, separate, supplying plant. This usually comes in UB, stock transfer, supplying plant and receiving plant, right? Quantity and price, double click this. Like this is what here you can monitor which field you can make as mandatory, required, optional. Okay, like this you can check. Okay, screen layout at document level. You can hide display required entries field. Okay, in real time also field selection already exists as per the business requirement. We can define a new field selection fields also. Suppose for a particular process PR, say for service PR or for third party PR, okay, or for subcontracting PR, etc. If different field selection is required, then define the new field selection here and later assign this new field selection to the required document type. Select NBP holder and click copy as button. Okay, so here go back. I selected this. Click copy as button. Okay, field selection. I'm giving YBB instead of NBB. I'm giving YBB. Okay, click continue top left symbol and save it, and it will become green. Field selection will be by default this only. Don't worry about this and save it. So I have created YBB. Okay. Oh. Now select YBP whole row and click detail button. So here I'm selecting whole row. I'm clicking detail button. So anyhow that is copied, right? So here which field you want to make it as mandatory, required, you can do it here. Okay. Yeah. And select field as required optional display and save it. So as of now I need all. Okay. I don't want to make anything as mandatory fields or display. If you want, you can see it. Okay. Do it and you create the PR. You will understand. Okay. So as of now, I want each and every field. Okay, I don't want anything to be made as optional display or hide. Okay, now what I'll do, I'm going to main screen. Okay, now define document type. So as you know, define document type for PR is NB, right? Document type for PR is NB. In real time also, already existing document types are there. If required, we can define a new document type also. Suppose for a particular PR, say for service PR or third party PR or for MRP PR, if different number ranges or different field selection or different item categories are required, then define a new document type with required number ranges, field selection and item category as follows. So click new entries. So let us create a new one. I'm clicking new entries, okay? And I'm taking this YBB, the one which I have created just now. Okay. Yeah. So material PR. Let's say this is material PRs. I've taken this. Okay. Material PRs. Okay. Item interval. I'm giving this 10. And I'll tell you why 10. What is the importance of 10? Number range interval. So I'm taking the one which I've created just now, Z4, right? And Z5. So Z4 is already there. So based upon these number ranges, it will get saved. This PR. Okay. Yeah. And then, field selection YBB. So the one which I've created, YBB. Okay. So take these things, click enter and save it. Save it. Okay. Right. Now note you can change the item numbers in PR as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 10, 20, 30, 40 or 5, 10, 15, 20. Just type in item interval above 5. Then in the item you'll find 5 for first PR, okay, 10 for second PR, 15 for third PR and so on. Understand? The importance of this is very important. If you give 5, then in line item it will show second line item as 10. So 5 difference. If you give 1, then the next line item will be 22. Another line item will be 3. Okay, but that is very dangerous because some client, in my case I have seen many clients in real time. They want some line item to be in middle of something, other line item. So in that case you cannot do. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let me show you practically so that you will understand more. So practically means, like whenever we create the PR ME, let's say 51M. Okay, I'm telling you the importance of this item. Okay, this part, item interval. Okay, so practically I'm taking you here. Purchase requisition. Let's say for example, I have taken some material for a particular plant. Let's say 3000 we have many. Okay, you can take anything. Okay, quantity, let's say 10. Plant you can take 3000. Okay, store location. So what is the item interval is coming 10, right? See, it will show here 10. See 10. Yeah, Hassan, understand? 10 is coming. Item interval. Now I am taking another material or maybe different material also. Okay. Let's take the same material or we can take different material also. Different means it should belong to the same plant. Otherwise the system will throw the error. So here I'm taking another quantity like say 2 here. Okay. I'm putting something here and 3000 triple zero one. So what item interval will show 20. You understand? So 10 and 20. If I put another material, what number will come? Yes, son, 30, right? Am I right? Are you there or not? Hassan, Yusuf, if I select another,
जी.
okay. So if I take, let's say so many material which we have created, I'm taking, like we have created steel, okay? So I'm taking this steel. So what will happen? 20. Purchase group, this is mandatory. I can take anything here. Deed. Okay. So I mean to say violation price, let's say here I'm giving 100, right? Yeah, no issue. So now the client requirement is, see, this is very important. Client is saying sometime the client will raise a ticket or sometime, yeah, without raising the ticket we cannot help them, right? Let's say you got one ticket stating that the client they want to include another material in middle of this, in between 10 and 20. You understand? Item interval. So there is a ticket, they don't know how to do it. In middle of this, in between 10 to 20. That requirement you got it. The ticket is got, you got it. So how you will do? Just go here, understand? Go here, okay? and put it 10. So I'm giving here 11. You understand? 11. And I'm giving, it can be same material, it can be different material also. Let's say I'm taking different material. Okay. So let's take this steel. Okay. 3000 triple zero one. Click enter. So once you save, once you save this PR, what will happen? In middle it will appear. So 574 going to other PR. Okay. So if you see 10 11. You understand, Asan? In middle it came. Are you there? You understand? Yeah. Any doubt here? Okay. Similarly, you can include more than 9 items in middle of this 10 and 20, right? That is what the funda item interval. If you give here 5, then only 4 materials can be included in middle. That is what it is. Okay. So I'm giving here 5. Okay. Yeah. Now select whole ZPP and allow item category. So here now I'm selecting whole part. Okay, by YBB, and I'm clicking allow item categories. So allow item category already. If it is not there, then you need to provide. Okay. So I'm giving here new entries item category. Which item categories you need, you take directly from here. Like let's say I'm taking here K for consignment. Okay, and another I'm taking here L. Okay, I need this also, right? As per the business requirement. And I also need the third party. Okay, you can take this. And you need stock transfer also. Okay, take this. And you need a service also. Take this. Okay, and you need the standard. Nothing but a blank. Save it. Click enter and save it. Okay, like this you can configure. So I've taken this. Okay, save it. Back to MG. Define document type to assign PR to PO. Go back.
Yes, sir.
Okay, define document types to assign PR to PO. Select whole row and click required document types, new entries. Okay, so here define document. So here I'm selecting the whole row document type and click link purchase equation document type. Something I'm missing here. Item categories we have taken. Define document type. So this is what it is. Select hold on, click required document and entries. Okay. Already we have done this pre-selection Z4. Yeah, already it is there. Okay, so go down. Define document to attach PR to PO. Select all rows and PP and click link purchase document type. Yeah, okay. So here this one, Yeah, already it is a Z4. We have maintained this or we have maintained. Okay. Yeah. Now go to SPRO part again. Already we are here in the screen. So where it is? Yeah. Processing time, purchase equation and processing time. Here it is.
Yes, sir.
So OEM integrated. Plant, if you want to have a plant view, which plant to process the time you can maintain here. So what actually do? Number of working days required to process or convert PR into PO in purchasing department is known as purchase or processing time. So if you want anything, you can give the plant here. Okay, like CSC one by default, one is there. You can change to two or three as per the business requirement. Okay, yeah. Now creation of PR. So already we have configured. Now we'll check. Okay, whether the number ranges is working properly or not. So I'm going to PR. So I'm going back from this. So here ME 50 one N. Okay. So document type are our new document type. So here we have YBB, the one which you have created. Okay. See YBB material PS. Okay. You can select our own or the standard one is NB. Okay. So source determination. What is this source determination? If you select this checkbox, what will happen? But first, before going this, let us create, the PR and see whether this our new document type number ranges whatever we have configured that is working properly or not. Okay. So before going to this separately, I'll first try to create the PR based on all by configured YBB document type. Okay. So here I'm taking some material. So we have so many materials here. Okay. So let's say on 3000 plant. Okay, so here I'm taking a quantity as 10. Yeah, plant is 3000, store location 0001. Okay, and the purchase group also you need to give, maintain here, and the valuation price 1000 rupees. Okay, so I'm saving the PR now. See here, I have got this number ranges, right? Asan, number range we have selected 1 to something, we have selected
Yes,
that,
sir.
right? So this number in the PR is created with 1. Again, if you create another PR, 2, 3, 4 like that, it will start. Okay. So don't ever
Yes,
give the PR number from 0 to 1000. Why? Because in real time, what will happen after 1000 PR is created, after 10,000 PRs are created, if you are providing 4 digit, if you are providing 4 digit, so 4 digit is 1000 only, right?
yes, sir.
So 1000 means how many PRs you can create? 1001 also you can create. But 9,999 PR you can create. What about 10,000? 10,000 means how many numbers? 1000000.
Mm.
So it is going
Five
to how
only.
many digit? How many digit?
5 digits.
So you cannot create. So that's why in real time what we do is at least 8 digits should be there. So it will go in crores. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this we can create. So our PR is working fine. Okay. Our PR is working fine now. Okay. Then we'll continue tomorrow. Hmm? We'll
Okay,
continue
sir.
tomorrow what each and every field, the importance of each and every field. We'll continue tomorrow in PR. Whatever fields we can see, like source determination. If you select this, what will happen? And so many other fields are there. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Sure. I'm stopping the class. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay then. We'll continue tomorrow.